Hold on, dude. Something's going on. Bro, the PlayStation party just white noise. I forgot about this. Where I ask you to burp.
Gonna be great.
Dang it. That's all I got today. How about the Panthers? Dude, what? There we go. Either, but it should be available on Vudu, right?
I don't think so. It's still in theaters in Gold City. I mean,
No.
watch a movie at the house, dude.
Oh, that hit me with a smell. That is disgusting. Oh,
I'm trying to get one of them deep ones. Usually I can breathe or inhale enough. You can hear my lungs deflate.
that is nasty.
There it was. Got it. You good? How big can you burp? Oh god, dude, I don't even know, dude. I may puke. I can burp on command pretty easily, but I can't get eyes on this dude. Well, yeah, I may end up puking if I keep doing that. So if I wasn't so full of food right now, I could give you a good one. When I breathe in, you can hear my lungs go crazy. I did it. Thank you for the follow, Squid Ink Coup. I'm on the phone. I'll be right back. No, hold on.